Emotional fluency and why you need it, right? Emotional fluency focuses on changing your internal world, what we can't see, so that your presence positively impacts you and impacts those around you, right? When I'm frustrated, when I'm angry, when I'm really going through it, I have now built the emotional fluency to not hurt you because I'm angry. Because that's what happens often. We hurt somebody else because we angry. I've seen it multiple times, especially in the grocery store. People come in angry, and then you're gonna curse out the cashier because I ain't had nothing to do with your problem before you came in here. But because I understand emotional fluency and I built that, I'm able to take those emotions, those feelings, and not project it on somebody else because it's not your problem. So that's something, especially as young teens, if you can get this now, it'll be life-changing for you. To not project your emotions, your pain, all these different things on other people. To be able to take that thing and make the right decision at the right time so it doesn't hurt you or hurt somebody else.